My name is Krishna and I work on spatial analysis and water resources. Within the PEAK project, I'm part of a theme which is titled Spatial Inequalities and Water. In the theme, what we will try to do is largely two major pieces. The first part focuses on trying to develop a disaggregated data set of socioeconomic variables for Bangalore. And in the second part of it, we will attempt to use that to understand three things. One is inequality in access to domestic pipe water supply. Second is the dependence on groundwater within the city. The third will be analysis of exposure to flooding within Bangalore. When it comes to understanding cities in India, there is a major data constraint because much of the data which is available from the census is provided only at the resolution of wards, which are the lowest administrative units within cities. What we are trying to do in this first part of the project is to use several layers of ancillary data sets, including remote sensing, to develop a much more finer grained map of population distribution and other socioeconomic variables which are available from the census. The way this will be useful in the second part of the project is that such a data set will help us analyze inequality in access to piped water supply within the city, and also will feed into groundwater models and things like that, which will help us analyze the groundwater dependence and how it varies across different parts of the city. In terms of exposure to flooding also, it is very important to understand the nature of households and the number of people who are exposed to flooding in different parts of the city. And we will be primarily using some of these data sets to understand what types of neighborhoods exist within the more flood prone regions within the city.